So today I'll be doing a taste test of Oatside oat milk. Na-excite talaga ako after knowing they have a pocket pack na, which is so convenient. And ang cute-cute niya. Coffee, chocolate, and of course the regular one. Oh! Cheers! Very light and refreshing and sarap. I think there's like a slight bitterness. It's not even bitter, but like earthy flavor to it. You know, when you make overnight oats, kasi minsan gumagawa rin ako. So yung oats, lalagyan mo ng water or almond milk or any milk of your choice. So, masi-steep siya overnight, diba? And ito yung lasa niya. May pagka-earthy, also creamy, a bit sweet, ganun. As a coffee girly talaga, I had to try this. Wow! In fairness, may kick yung coffee ha. At na to? Fairness. Ooh!